Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice problem? From here, let's use the first method, and we can separate this as 10 raised to power 10 plus 10. Here, we still give us 20, and over here, we have 20 raised to power 10, and which we can write from here, law of indices, a raised to power m plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And here, this becomes 10 raised to power 10 times 10 raised to power 10. Now divide by 20 raised to power 10. And also applying the law of indices, now we have a raised to power m over b raised to power n. Here we can write this as a over b or raised to power n. That is, here we can write this as 10 over 20 or raised to power 10, then times 10 raised to power 10. And here we can reduce this 10 here 1, 10 here 2. So this gives us 1 over 2, then all raised to power 10, then times 10 raised to power 10. Then also from the law of indices, when we have a times b, that is a raised to power n times b raised to power n. Here we give us a times b or raised to power n. So which is similar to what we have now, and this can be written as half times 10 or raised to power 10, which we can simplify, and 2 goes in 10 here, that's 5. So this is 5 raised to power 10, which is the final solution here. Then to use another method from here, write this as 10 raised to power 20 over, we can break this down as 10 times 2, then raised to power 10. And here also, when we reverse the law of indices here, this gives us 10 raised to power 20. Over here, we have 10 raised to power 10, then 2 raised to power 10. And from here, this we can separate as 10 raised to power 20 over 10 raised to power 10, then multiply by 1 over 2 raised to power 10. Then when we have a raised to power n over a raised to power n, we can write it as a raised to power n minus n. And here, this same thing as 10 raised to power 20 minus 10. Then times 1 over 2 raised to power 10. Then what we have now here becomes 10 raised to power 10 times 1 over 2 raised to power 10, which is also 10 raised to power 10 over 2 raised to power 10. And also here we can write it as 10 over 2 or raised to power 10. And 10 over 2 here, that's 5, which is 5 raised to power 10. So here, same thing with what we have in the first method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you next class. Bye.